Have you ever found yourself pulling back and forth as if fighting against the sticking electrode as you start and strike during welding operation? Well, we'll help you solve that issue. Plus, we're going to give you tips to avoid it. Welcome to Engine episode of Explore UMTC Season 2. I am Romel Cabrera and we are at UMTC's welding facility. Indeed, welding electrode sticking is annoying, but it's part of the process, especially for novices or those doing it for the first time. If you haven't practiced long, you could find the light goes out and your rod is stuck. It can happen even to those who have learned and have been doing it for quite some time. First, let's enumerate the possible reasons for the electrode to stick to the workpiece.
Low amperage, weak welding cable connection, the welding machine and its components are in bad condition, improper welding techniques.
Quite a lot. While there may be a list of reasons, we also have ways to prevent this issue. We ensure that our trainees can resolve these challenges as part of the welding training they receive at our training center. So, how to avoid it? Here are the tips.
Ensure that the range of electrode amperage setting is set correctly according to its minimum and maximum settings. Well, you can find the range in the electrode box. Always start at the middle of the range of the amperage to start the amperage correctly. Always check your welding cable connection and check your work clamp free from dirt and paint to avoid disconnection. Check your welding handle and tighten its connection. Be very familiar with the type of electrode used. It's good practice to take care of your electrodes. Low hydrogen electrodes must be well stored in a heating cabinet, and general purpose electrodes should be kept in a dry place to avoid absorbing moisture. Know the starting techniques. We have two ways techniques before starting a weld. The first is top start. Using top start to tap the tip of the electrode in the metal and maintain the arc length. Second is scratch start. Using the scratch start is scratch the tip of the electrode in the metal and maintain the arc length. Remember the basic of the welding process. Maintain the arc distance, apply the correct current setting, keep the speed of travel and the electrode angle. With this in mind, welding operations will become much more manageable.
Did we make it look easy? Of course! Enroll in our welding courses and other engine programs, and you will leave our training center with a certificate and a torch. Ready to shape your future in this dynamic industry. For more courses, visit our website www.umpc.com.ph and remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Bon voyage!